implement jig and fixture devices in our daily routine or in the industry also. There are many cases where we can just see that it may be useful to us in the some portion like special case like 45 degrees there or some angular portion is there on that time which kind of locating system or clamping system we have to use. So based on that, uh, as per the special case or as per the requirement of the industry, we just discuss the basic about the uh, locating system and clamping system. Now, after that, we talk about the system which may be implement or which may be useful to us in the uh, system like bush we have to prepare then how to prepare the bush and how we can use that all the bush so it may be useful for us and after that we just discuss the basic types of jigs also at where we discuss the basic jigs like box jigs and template jigs and based on that we just before that we just take one example of the jig at where some basic or procedure is given to us and based on the steps of the design so we are just follow the design of the procedure as we know that के पहले possible हो तब तक हम पहले initial steps we are finishing initially and after that we just start that के how to implement design of jig in the our system. So based on that we just understand that how to prepare the design of jig. Now today's lecture we just talk about that how we can uh, basic about which we are not covered throughout of the lecture which we start from the we start for the jig lecture we can consider jig lecture then that thing we are covered today in the ppt and after that we are just start the basics of the fixture today. So before that, we just wants that and already we are just shown you one video regarding difference between jig and fixture. On that time, I just mention you what is the basic difference. Sometime it may be asked in your exam also. Okay, just differentiate the different types of jig and different types of fixture or differentiate between jig and fixture. So on that time, if possible, you may just draw the table. Already you know that how to write the paper because now you are in the pre-final semester. So not I am saying to you in that way, but it is important that if possible, if difference is asked in your exam, then you may directly draw on one table and just differentiate it in the proper manner so it look too good. One thing, same way, I want to say that whatever 3 to 1 principle we are covered, so sometime it may be asked in your exam as I already discussed in PPT, which we are share initially, and same thing I can already share in the Microsoft Team also. So you can just download the material which I already share in the team. So hope so PPT is visible to all now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so don't speak anything, okay? Hmm?
As I already discussed regarding the difference between jig and fixture. So regarding jig, jig is the production tool and fixture is also production tool. And we know that when we are prefer the jig, when the component or the number of parts are higher and and we have to prepare in less time. On that time we prefer the jig. So on that time it is easy for all that if we had used the uh, jig or fixture, then the production is too much higher, and we are not required that much higher skill. So when the large number of component can be machined, we are used mostly jig or fixture. Next one, and after that you know that what is jig, but I just want to refer it once again. So device that hold support or place on a part to be machined, it is called as a jig. Which the difference between jig and fixture, this is the basic part, that it may locate and hold the workpiece. Okay, you just remember 2 points which are important as per the application point of view. Locate and hold the workpiece, which may guide the cutting tool also, and for repeatability and exact duplication of the part for reproduction, we have preferred the jig. As we know the figure also, different kind of jigs we are used. These are the workpiece, and this is the one kind of twist drill you have to getting, and this is the one kind of jig plate. So this is a simple operation which understand you easily that how we can use or how we can implement the jig. Fixture, it is a as compared with the jig, then strong and rigid mechanical device which attached to a machine for quick and consistently accurate locating, supporting and clamping blanks against cutting tools. Much wider scope of the application than jig. Jig is mostly used to to do the operation like a drilling, boring, rimming. It means it's just operation, unique operations we are performed with the help of jigs. But if we talk about the fixture, then there are not only one operation. It may cover the wide range of the operation. So common fixture include milling fixture, lathe fixture, sewing fixture, and grinding fixture. You just compare the operation or machines which are usable or which are very known for us. So that kind of mechanism we are, or uh, that kind of wide area we are getting when we talk about the fixture. Common fixture setup is you can see it here. That kind of picture is there, where this image shows a custom fixture setup designed to inspect a specific part. Okay, so this is one unique device, and we know about this simple fixture. Hope so who are completed their first year in diploma, and if you are visiting the our laboratory, then in the left side there is one whole section regarding the fixing the part. So it is a basic fixture where we are not perform the operation of the drilling. Okay, but except drilling we are perform the operation in the simple fixture. So this is the basic fixture that we are most probably use in the all the workshops, or on the or in the all the mechanical factories, or we can say all the GIDCs. Jig is a guiding device, while fixture is a holding device. This is the basic difference between jig and fixture. Jig is a guiding device. It may guide the tool. It it used to guide the tool, while fixture is holding the device. It may hold the device. It may not guide the tool. Okay. Mostly material used in jigs and fixture are made from a variety of material, some of which can be hardened or resist the wear. Most common material are hardened steel, carbide, bronze, and stainless steel. That depends on the application. As per the application, if the application is used in that way, then based on the selection, based on the material, we are just based on the operation, we are select the material. As we know that these are the basic types of jig. Already we discussed. I just give the brief name of the jig, so it's easy for us to remind that which are the basic jigs we are used in the our daily routine, or we can prefer the many options to do the operations. boring jig, or we can say drill jig is there. Boring jig are used to bore the holes. Okay, that either it to me. What is the meaning of boring jig? Means already one drilling operation is there, but I just enlarge the hole, so it is called as a boring jig. Drill jigs are used to drill, ream, tap, chamfer, and counterbore, countersink. As we discussed in the drilling machine operation in MP1, these are the operation if you have to perform on any one component with the simultaneously, or any all the operations or any one operation, then we prefer the drill jig. After the template jig is there and plate jig is there. As we discussed earlier, the difference between template jig and plate jig. Same way table jig is there. Plate jigs are sometimes made with the legs. If legs are there, it is considered as it look like a table. So on that time it is known as a table jig. Sandwich jig already we discussed initially, but I just want to show you that the figure is like this. Sandwich jig are form of the plate jig or with the back plate. Okay, यहाँ पे extra plate भी दी हुई है, which are not given in the plate jig. This type of jig is ideal for thin or soft part. As already we discussed initially, mostly when we prefer the sandwich jig, then when the parts are the material may be the softer or the thin part, then we prefer then we select the sandwich jig. As we talk about the angle plate jig also, as per the requirement or as per the part, if it may be the situation is like that, on that time we prefer the angle plate jig. Modified angle plate jig, there is two kind of plate jigs. If angle is somewhat differ, you can see it here, machining angle other than 90 degrees, then we prefer this kind of jig, and it may be exact 90 degrees, then we prefer this kind of jig. So these are the basic jig type. Same way box jigs is there. I think for our problem we are prefer the box jig also. So you remember the box jig, that how it may be useful to us. Box jig is a good example to guide the tool with the proper manner, and we are getting the box jig usually totally surround the part. These types of jig allow the part to be completely machined on every surface without the need of repositioning the workpiece. After that, a channel jig. Channel jigs are the simplest form of the box jig. Box jig का सब टाइप भी हम बोल सकते हैं इसे. After that, leaf jig is there. Leaf jigs are small box jigs with the hinge lip to allow for easier loading and unloading. See, when we have to mass production and we have to use box jig, but if there is any problem with the loading and unloading, then we prefer this kind of jig. So on that time, loading and unloading time is reduced drastically, and we can refer, or we can just use that all the parts and we just complete the operation in smallest period of time. Indexing jigs are used to accurate the space holes or other machine areas around a part. To do this, the jig use either the part itself or reference plate and a plunger. Larger indexing jigs are called as a rotary jigs. Trunnion jigs are form of rot. See, some jigs are remaining that I discuss. Otherwise, I am not discussing all the jigs because already that we had discussed in the previous lecture. Trunnion jigs are a form of rotary jigs for very large or odd shaped part. Okay, very large or odd shape. This jig is well suited for a large, heavy part that must be machined with several separate plate type jig. Okay, on that time what we have to do, we are not use that part on the jig, but jig go there and we are fixing that jig, and we are use that. So on that time it called as a trunnion jig. Bomb jig, it is somewhat new part for us. Commercially made jigs that must be adapted by the user. The lever activated plate makes this tool very fast to load and unload. Okay, there is one lever arrangement is there, and same way multi-station jigs is there. Multi-station jigs are made in any of the form already discussed. The main feature of this jig is how it locates the work. While one part is drill, another can be ream and third counter. As we discussed earlier कि हमें एक साथ ड्रिलिंग के काउंटर बोरिंग ड्रीमिंग and simultaneously we have to perform 1 2 3 or 4 operation on that time. This kind of jigs we are prefer. So multi-station jigs are now these are the recently we are used in the industry also. Now we directly jump on the fixture. This work holder are designed for as the norm says that name पे से हमें मालूम पड़ता है कि the it may fix the part. Okay, these work holder are designed for application where the cutting tool cannot be guided as easy as drill with fixture and edge finder, center finder or gauge block position the cutter. Some basic types I just discussed in short. Plate fixture are the simplest form of the fixture. See, mostly if we talk about the fixture, then this kind of fixture design we are getting. Mostly it's a generalized system you can consider where you can focus that यहाँ पे आपको एक part दिया गया है. I just zoom that part, so it's easy for us to visualize. You can see here that यहाँ पे whatever your part is, it may be at here and it may be fixed or it may be fixed by some support is there and by some clamping are provided and by some locator are provided and some set of blocks are provided. Due to that, the part may not carrying or not show any kind of movement and it may be fixing in that case. So we are perform the operation very proper way and we are loading and the loading and unloading is also very accurately. So the mostly what happens, the part is like this and then the size is in that way, it may not affect to the another part or another device. Okay, उसको भी टच नहीं करेगा, उसको भी इंटरफियर नहीं कर, उस हिसाब से हमें इसकी लेंथ डिसाइड करनी है. So that length it depends on the part dimension. So every time we have to take it in mind that what is the size of the part, and based on that we just select the different kind of strap clamps and different kind of clamping device, locating pins and boundary or support of the component. Okay, one thing that after end of the fixtures types, we just want to discuss regarding how to design or which are the basic steps to design the plate fixture, so that you can directly share or directly drawn in your sheet also. As the basic fixture is made from a flat plate that has a variety of clamp and locator to hold and locate the part. The simplicity of this fixture make it useful for most machining operation. Okay, so as I discussed, this kind of shape are used when we talk about the plate fixture. Now angle plate fixture. The angle plate fixture, as you can see here, it work with the some angle. The angle plate fixture is a variation of the plate fixture. With this tool, the part is normally machined at right angle to its locator. As we see in the diagram, यहाँ पे आप देख भी सकते हैं, the machine at the right angle. Suppose we have to machine at 90 degrees, then on that time we prefer the angle plate fixture. Modified angle plate fixture, as we discuss in the jig, same thing we are discussing here. While most angle plate fixture are made at 90 degrees, there are times when other angle are needed. Say every time the component or the machine we have to perform it, not every time 90 degrees. Sometime or some situation or some special cases are there, and that time we don't require the 90 degree machining to do the operation. So on that time we prefer the modified angle plate fixture. In this case, a modified angle plate fixture can be used. It is except 90 degree, it may be helpful to us to perform the operations in the either milling or except drilling, in short, either turning, milling, or whatever the grinding we have to perform, that all the operation we are performed with the help of this modified angle plate jig. Wise jaw fixture, as we know the name also, wise jaw fixtures are used for machining small parts. Mostly we know very well. We know very well that wires are mostly used in small parts to fixing the material, fixing the parts. Wires of fixture are the least expensive type of fixture to make. Mostly, if we visit any industry, or if wherever you are right now, mostly on that kind of mechanical industry, mostly we prefer the wise jaw is there, or we can talk about the simple basic type of jig, basic type of fixture that we discussed initially. So these two kind of fixture are mostly preferable. अगर हमारे पास कोई भी fixture नहीं है, still we can prefer this simple fixture for the bigger part, for the larger part, which may be accommodate as per the dimension, and for the smaller parts we have preferred the wise. So these are the two basic basic two types of the fixture, which may you generalize part or generalized fixture. Wise jaw fixtures are used for machining small parts, which are the least expensive types of fixture to make. Use is limited only by the size of the vices available. Okay, जो भी size के vices है, based on that we are prefer the fixture. As like indexing jig, same way indexing fixtures are very similar to indexing jig. These fixtures are used for machining parts that must have machine detail evenly spaced. Okay, you can see it here. There are some examples given to you. Okay, with this proper space, hexagon, you can say after 30 mm one side, every time another 30 mm side with the specified 60-degree angle is there. Same way, if we talk about the square, then 90-degree after each side we are getting the angle. So when we have to perform that kind of operation, when the parts are machined after some evenly space, on that time we prefer the indexing fixtures. You just mention, or you just remember the answer of this kind of objective, because this kind of application may be asked in one marks question, that what are the application of which fixture or which jig. So on that time it may be helpful to you. Multi-station fixture are used primarily for high speed, high volume production runs, where the machine cycle must be continuous. Okay, where machine cycle must be continuous, then we have preferred the multi-station fixture. Actually we are go beyond our today's session, but still I continue that these are the basic types of machine fixture. Yet this is the multi-station, at where